Today I'm going to introduce you a beautiful train station in Taiwan, Sheng-Hsing train station. Sheng-Hsing train station is a beautiful historical train station on Taiwan's old Western Rail Line. Even though it's not currently in operation, it has become a nostalgic tourist destination. The station was built in 1906 during the Japanese colonial period. It is basically a small house designed in Japanese style, tiger tooth style, which means that it was constructed entirely of wood and without a single nail or glue to fit every pieces of wood together. This kind of structure is rare in Taiwan, and Sheng-Hsing train station is one of the few remaining structures in Taiwan after so many devastating earthquakes over the past century. Near the station, there are some Hakka restaurants and vendors selling Hakka lei cha and Hakka sticky rice. And don't forget to buy some Hakka-inspired souvenirs for yourself. Thank you. That's all for today. Ciao!